Location with this is actually a truck I've been wanting to bring and show you guys for a while. You see a lot of trucks out there, you know, LS based trucks, 3rd, 4th, 5th gens, tastefully put together. It's got a lot of work done to it, not only just with the motor. It's not one of those builds where you just throw a BTR stage 2 cam and an eBay turbo. This thing's actually sorted nicely, and so let me get the camera turned around. This motor, old 4.8 Holley fuel rails, and I believe it's running
RC Engineering.
I see you've got some upgraded injectors. RC Engineering, a Borg Warner turbo, 67 mil Borg Warner EFR engineered for racing turbo. One thing I will say, tuned by one of the better known tuners, name will be withheld for reasons, but one of the better known tuners of this platform, who's been doing it a long time since the LS has been out, really tuned this on E85. This thing does have a flex fuel sensor. However, it's not turned on yet, but in the interim, it is running aviation fuel, so that's pretty cool. Check out these wheels. He's on a Nitto 555 G2 245 5020. You guys have to see this in person, and I'm talking Willwood, a true big brake kit. Look at those 6-piston calipers. The back wheel. Now, when I say stance, pretty heavily stanced, and even running a fat Willwood 4-piston. I believe these are at least 14s in the rear, but definitely a 15-inch rotor up front. This is on a Nitto 555 G2 as well, or 315 3520. I'm gonna get underneath. I want to show you guys this thing's actually got a Fab 9 and a built 4L80. So this thing is not just, you know, 10 or 12 bolt. This thing is meant to hold some power. It's got stainless exhaust coming all the way out the rear. It's very subtle. It actually reminds me of a C5. Show you guys the Fab 9 we're talking about, or that's a Mosier M9 rear end. You don't see, you know, trucks with a suspension and chassis reinforcing like this are normally running about 8s and 7s in the quarter. A built rear end. Let's see if we can take a look at the 4L80. This is one of these vehicles that if you had on a lift, it would give you guys a real good view of what's going on here. And yeah, this thing's the real deal. Just show you guys this truck. Nice subtle hood, ain't doing too much. It is functional, just kind of getting that heat out of there. The GM trucks coming out of the 80s, blending in with the LS. That is the hood I would run if I ever did something. It's just not too much, but it's just right there. Ted. Stalled it. That is a bad turbo LS truck. Built a lot more than what you would think. Very unassuming. It's got the drivetrain for well over 1,000 horsepower. The thing gets brought to you by CSM Racing Engines. Good time, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Take care. More to follow.